Samsung's next lineup, the Galaxy S24 series, is set to be unveiled in just under a month, and leaks have already given us a sneak peek at what's in store. Recently, detailed renders of the Galaxy S24 surfaced, showcasing the phone in its classic color options. But now, an even more extensive leak has emerged, revealing all models in the lineup along with their color variations. The Galaxy S24, 24 Plus, and S24 Ultra are each expected to come in four primary color variants. However, additional colors might also be exclusively available through Samsung's online store. Let's dive into the range of colors these phones will offer. Both the Galaxy S24 and 24 Plus will be released in black, purple, white, and yellow. These phones boast slim bezels around the screen and a triple camera setup on the back. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will shine in black, gray, violet, and yellow variants, offering a distinct visual appeal. All three models are rumored to sport a 12-megapixel front camera neatly tucked under a small punch hole display cutout. Additionally, the S24 and 24 Plus are likely to have an aluminum frame, while the S24 Ultra could feature a titanium frame for added durability. Reports suggest that the Galaxy S24 and 24 Plus will use the Exynos 2400 processor globally, except in Canada, China, and the US, where they might opt for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy processor. Conversely, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to utilize the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset across all regions. Camera-wise, the Galaxy S24 and 24 Plus might offer a 50-megapixel primary camera with OIS, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3-time optical zoom and OIS. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S24 Ultra could boast a 200-megapixel primary rear camera with OIS, among other impressive camera specs, running on Android 14 based One UI 6.1. These phones are also expected to introduce new AI features, promising an enhanced user experience. The countdown to the Galaxy S24 series launch has begun, and with these leaks, the excitement is surely building up.